Hello, my name is Remy, and today we're going to do our first lesson in physical distance but socially connected. So our first lesson, we're going to use different sprite than this one. So we'll change this sprite, and then we'll make this sprite moving from one house to another, telling people to wash their hands, telling people to put their mask on, and also to advise them not touching other people that they don't know actually. Yes, so we'll go dialect here. We go to choose sprite. I think you remember. Yeah, if you don't remember, then thank God I showed you. So go here. You can choose any kind of sprite you wish, because it's all about your creativity. So you can choose anything. You can choose the ball to be the one that informing people to avoid people contact, so that nothing is attacking another one. Don't choose bat. I think people be scared to death, so choose something else. Oh, you can choose a bell that when it leads to the door, it's linked, and then it say the message. So you can choose anything. I will be happy to choose Petra. So I'll choose this Petra, and here it is. And then I'll come to this one. I'll delete it. So I'll delete the cat like this, and I'll go here, delete. Okay. Yep. So now I'm having only my pictures, but still things are not so beautiful. So I'll need to change my stage. In order to change my stage, I need almost 3 houses. So I go back here, as you can see, and I will click that, and then I will go back to the image, choose backdrop from library, and I will click that one, and then I'll have these particular images that I have to choose from. And I can take my time scrolling down, but otherwise I can check the cities, and if I click on the cities, I see these beautiful houses here, so I'll choose this one. This is a school. All schools are closed. I can't choose the school. No, let me choose the urban one. Okay, and I'll click OK. It's there. I'll go add another one. I choose urban 2. Don't tell me that they will change it. No, they are not changing everything. It's here. If you can see on my backdrop, I have this one, I have this one, and this one. I don't like this one so far, so I'll click it and I'll delete it. If you didn't get something like that, maybe if you are still here and you're still here, you can check on your top tabs. You see script, backdrop, and sound if you are using Scratch tool offline. So you can click there and you choose now. Oh, you can do it right here. Oh yeah, you can do it. I didn't know that. Okay. So here also I can choose another city and say, okay, but this city is so empty as it is now. But still, we'll try. Okay, so we have this city. We have this urban, and we have this one. All right. So we want to make this Petra to go from place to place to inform people about Corona or something. They can change. So you don't need to talk about Corona all the time. There's a lot of good things to talk about, right? So what it will be doing? You can type there on the comment below, and I'll be able to guess. All right. So let us. It's going. It's so kind. It's taking things from one house to another. So it's bringing people gifts. It's bringing people kind things, food, and the like. Forget about whatsoever. It's just going there for being so kind and so good. So when it reaches here, it's keep going. So it will start going one door after another. And you remember, we have, if we go to our backdrop, we have 1, 2, 3. We have 3 places to go. Good. So let us start. We go back to our first door. So another thing we need to do is to resize this to meet the look. So I will go click this button, shrink, and I'll shrink this one to a certain size that I think is fine. If I don't like, I can leave it. It's up to me, and it's up to you too. But if you don't like, no, leave it alone. So what I'll do now, I will take the basic code. I'll go to control. I'll go to event. Oh yeah, I'm starting forgetting. Hey, this is not good. So I have to do it as many times as you are doing. And then I will go to control, right here, and I'll pick forever. I like forever. I don't like to say specific number. Sometime, yeah, because I have to count, and maybe I'm using the big screen, so it will be lying. Okay, I don't know. So I have the event when if I create, and I have the forever, what I'm going to do, what I want to do. The last thing I'm going to do is now I'm going to go to motion, and I will tell it to move 10 step, and then I will say, I will go back to control. I will say if this is the condition I want to check, and I'll go to sensing and know that it's touching it on the edge. And so where will I get that? Oh gee, let me see here. Oh yeah, this is the one. If it's touching on the edge, so grab this. If it's touching on the edge, and I'll change not the point but the edge. If it's touching on the edge, and I'll come back here, not to motion. Really to motion? It has to be on the look. How do you know? I'm just guessing. Oh no, I'm not guessing. This thing already written, so you just have to read and know as I'm teaching you today. So don't worry, you are learning, so you are going to be fine. So I'm going to take it here. I'm saying touching edge, switch backdrop to another one. So I have to know the backdrop name so that I can know to change to another house. You don't come from one city, jump to another city. You can't jump another city if you are not on the plane, and the plane are already stopped. So you need to use a bus. Okay. So I'll go back now a little bit to my stages, and I'll go back to backdrop. I know, okay, the first one is called Urban 2, the second one is called Urban 1, and the last one is called Parking Lamp. So now I know. As long as I know, I'm going back to my bit tray. There's no S, and I'm adding that. I think it's the recurrence. Okay, so I'll go there, and I'll go to Urban 1. After that, I think I'm finishing. Yeah, I think I'm finishing. So after this one, it will go to another city. But when it does that, I want it to change. So I want it when it goes there, it change the size, it change the location, and it become interesting. Yeah, so okay, let us leave that first. Okay, then good. So that's all. Let us see. We'll just click here, and then we'll click here, and boom. Yeah, good. The first one is done. So that's all for today. Thank you very much. I thank you. This was great. So see you next time.